Hello everybody, my name is Shruti Shidling and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. If you're somebody who's interested in watching dance, fashion, beauty, skincare, hair care, then you're welcome to my channel. Today's topic is 5 affordable makeup products that you can use in your makeup routine, and they are just so amazing that I cannot stop talking about them. So without further ado, let's get started. So when I say these products are affordable, I also make sure that they have a high quality so that you don't have any kind of irritation or any kind of infection through these products. I personally been using these products since more than a year and a half, so I'm damn sure that you're gonna love it as well. So I will be putting all this link in my description. You can check them out and you can buy for yourself. You can also follow me on Instagram, wherein I'm very active and I post most of the things on there because it's very easy to handle. I'm just gonna post most of the things, so you can find me there as well. So the first product I'm going to talk about is a primer. That's how we start our makeup, so why not the product as well. So this is an Insight primer, very long lasting, and also it works as a moisturizer. I am been loving this the moment I got hands on this. You can compare this product to the Lotus primer as well. I personally love this. ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, price range में difference है. That retails for some around 500 and this retails for 249 rupees only, and it does the job amazing. It closes the pores. If you have a small pores, it closes the pores and it gives you a flawless makeup base, and it's just amazing, to be very frank. So check this out. The next product I'm going to talk about is a foundation, and it is widely available in any Indian stores. So it is a Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. It's a matte and a poreless foundation. It is available for normal skin tone to the oily skin, and it's available in many shades. If you're somebody who really want to try out different product, please go for it. It has a wide range of shades, and to be very frank, I have only finished 4 to 5 bottles of this. I'm lightweight foundation, and it doesn't make you feel like you have overdone it. Feel that it gives a flawless base and it gives a medium coverage. If you're somebody who want to go for high coverage, you can also dab it for 2 layers and you can make it look amazing. It retails for rupees 549, but because of the sale, you can get it for 300 rupees to 400. So the next product I'm going to talk about are these beautiful lip shades by Insight. When I used them for the first time, I was wondering for this price, I got such a amazing lip shades, and they are in a wide range as well. And I was like, wow, I got to tell this to all my girlfriends. I did that. But considering the price range and the amount of the stability this product has, it's amazing. So I don't mind to use a lip liner and then use this. I personally have so many lip colors from Insight. Like, I think I have most of them. I could grab only these, so I'm showing it to you. So that means please have them. Damn sure you're gonna love it. If you love it, please do comment and let me know. Next product I'm going to talk about are this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Swish Beauty. These are available in a wide range. So when I open this palette, there are this matte eyeshadows and also the shimmer eyeshadows as well. This particular eyeshadow as well, you can create so many basic to the amazing eye makeup. You can really trust this product because it's really pigmented and you can really go versatile using these colors. I personally picked this because I wanted to play around more with the colors. So this is particularly in the shade 06 and this is in the shade 08. It retails for rupees 299 only. So the last product is this makeup fixer by Swish Beauty. It has aloe vera and vitamin E in this, and it is very long lasting, to be very frank. Loving all the makeup product by Swish Beauty. These are all affordable. It retails for rupees 249 on this box, but when I checked it on website, it is for 170 rupees as well. I don't know whether it's a sale or it is just a discounted price all the time you're getting it. I got it around 6 months before, and it's amazing. Do try this if you're a beginner. Please have it. So guys, these were the 5 makeup products I wanted to show you and which are very affordable as well. So if you buy any of these on my recommendation, please comment down and let me know. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also comment down and say what all you have in your makeup bucket and let me know about this. If you want me to try any of them, please let me know as well. And subscribe to my channel because it's a brand new account, and I also have a different channel which has a dance content only. I'm a dancer as well, so you can check out all my dance related video in that channel. And all these links are in the description. Please show some love and spread it across to the people. Thank you so much for taking out this precious time and spending with me. If you like this look, you can see the IGTV what I've created on my Instagram. Until next time, me Shruti Shidling signing off, and I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you so much.